Did you know Amazon paid over $370 million to Kindle Direct Publishing over this last year? Yes, that's right. In this video, I will come with a new review of a software that is HeyBooks. Yes, this is the world's first Amazon publishing AI assistant. It instantly researches the profitable keywords and create and publish the best-selling Kindle books in Amazon. You know what? 310 million Amazon users are using this without writing a single word. They sell the product, that is Kindle books, in Amazon platform. In this video, I will show you how it works. The welcome page of HeyBooks will be look like this. Just give your email address and password if already you log in, you sign in into it. Otherwise, you can sign up free. Otherwise, you can sign up after purchasing it. Here we can see the highlighting point, Amazon Publishing AI assistant that instantly research, create, publish, and rank Kindle books to bestseller in minutes. Yes, we can see it now how AI does this all. Here we go. Just log in into it. Okay, then here's the dashboard, research tools, book creator. Go to the research tools and coloring book, search for it, and it automatically calculates everything which is the best one, and it selects the product details also. The keywords, it selects the keywords to for SEO purpose, and it gets all the details automatically. It is all AI created, not by the man interference. No man interference is here. Just you can leave it to the AI. It will automatically decides which one is the best ebook, which one is best keyword for us, best keyword for our book. It selects the Kindle books templates. It creates our own templates also. Like this, it creates the books template library. It takes one template which is highlighting, just like yes, my storybook second edition. Like, just download it and open the image, and it adds to the creator, just like this. Please go through it. The best story, it automatically selects the story also. The title, size, font styles, which are very attractive. It creates attractive stories, especially for children's. And this is the best AI tool to create a Kindle books and sell in Amazon. 310 million dollars are income generated using this platform. By this app, sure shot everyone can achieve. Everyone can earn. Everyone can earn in dollars. We can publish the books to any platform of our choice using this app, not only in Amazon. See this Etsy, eBay, Apple Books, Kobo, Barnes Noble. In these platforms also we can publish them. If you want to get profitable without doing anything, it is the best platform to use. To get the more details, link in description. You can purchase it from it, or otherwise, please dial me for the more details. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.